this is the only industry in India that has, you can say, double-digit growth in last decade.
So how do you secure your first customer, or I can say first client, or anything like this?
People hesitate to invest, especially on making a team. They believe that maybe we five can do more. So it's not like that.
So hi everyone, we have with us Pankaj Mishra from PND Group. So let's have a talk with him. First of all, sir, thank you for coming and welcome to the show.
Thank you for inviting me.
All right, so first of all, tell me something about your brand and how you started with this brand.
My brand name is Bakeeats. So we manufacture cookies and rusk, and our product has already reached North India, and we are also doing export also. So now I will tell you how I founded this brand. Initially we founded the company in 2019, which is an international logistics company. So our motive was always there, to have your customer from end to end. So if you see logistics, no, so logistics is a part of supply chain. The supply chain means a raw material is moved towards the buyer, towards the use part, where the consumer uses the product, and where the raw material goes to the factory and it is converted into a final product. Then it moves to the logistics part, then it moves to the buyer, then it moves to the consumer, final end consumer. So our target was always there to hold our customer from end to end, and from there providing the logistics service. I realized almost 2-3 years back that we should start with, we should move ourselves towards more closer to the product. So while doing the research, I have a thought of starting something in manufacturing something. So I met almost 10-15 consultants, and with that meetings, I got an idea to step into an FMCG industry. And in FMCG industry also, we specifically move to the product of cookies and rusk, because these items are so fast in FMCG that the consumption, and this is the only industry in India that has, you can say, double-digit growth in last decade. So that attracted me, and I am personally very kind of OCD kind of behavior I have. So that hygiene, something, hygiene and quality, so that attracts me a lot. So with that USP and the way we have done the designing of our packaging, if you when you see on our Insta page, you will notice it. We have made the packaging so attractive that see, even if you make a very good quality product, but if it is not pink, then there is no use of it.
Yeah.
So first target is your designing, your packaging has to be very attractive that the customer picks it.
A catchy one.
Yes. So with that thought only, we have made very unique packaging, and the product are being picked, and we are getting very good response. So this was the very brief journey that how I founded Bakeeats. Yeah.
So what are the biggest challenges you face in the initial days of your business?
See, mostly challenges, building a team. I building a team, and more importantly, if you talk to any founder, that managing funds. This is very important, because sometimes you make a fund, and then again it becomes a short, because the requirements and the expenses, they don't have any control. So funds and building a team, I would say building a team. Why? Because building a team is very, very important for any startup, for any founder. So having a particular expertise people for every skill is very important, because as a founder and as an entrepreneur also, you have to believe that you cannot do everything on your own. You need people, you need backup, you need support. So these were, you can say that my challenges, which I accomplished and doing good.
And how many total employees you have right now?
Almost close to 200.
Oh, wow. So how do you differentiate your brand from the other brands who are in market? The market is very tough. The competition is very tough. So how do you differentiate your brands with all the brands which are in market or in industry?
See, differentiating, I believe competition in me only. I don't compare with others. But like I mentioned, my first target was that my product has to be picked by the customer. Then the quality and taste comes. So I made an USP of packaging design. I'm making this a guarantee. If you just look my packaging, you will definitely say wow,
Okay.
because we have made, it's not that it appears good. We have a logic there. We have a logic there which attracts customer to pick our product. So this is how I believe, differentiating my products with the market.
Yeah. Okay. So, what are the advice you want to give to the young aspiring business owner who are coming into your field, basically?
Okay. Uh, I would advise people, new entrepreneurs, to have more focused on team. Build a good team. Build a good team, because while starting something, now people hesitate to invest, especially on making a team. They believe that maybe we five can do more. So it's not like that. If you invest your money on right people, on right candidates, you can scale your business very nicely.
Mhm.
And I would say one more thing. See, we if you see that I have a logistics company and I have a manufacturing unit also, so how they are connected. See, recently when we started doing a product for sending, outside a country, doing the export, so we are the manufacturer, and the container in which the products are going, the container belongs to us.
Okay, both the things.
Yes, and the whole logistic team is belonging to my company, only under one roof. Until my product is reaching to the buyer, everyone is
Good.
the part of P&D group.
Okay.
So it might be happening for the first time that the product and the service belongs to one roof, one company, which is P&D group.
Okay. Yeah. One last question, and my the favorite one. So, how do you secure your first customer, or I can say first client, or anything like this?
This is a learning and very advisable thing also. Like I'm also mentioned in my previous statements, you need to hold your customer from end to end. Give your customer a service, that level of service, कि उसको ऐसी आदत पड़ जाए for
Come back
taking,
again and again.
like spoon feeding kind of thing, कि
Yeah.
वो कहीं और जाए ही ना.
Yeah, it's called a revenue recurring model
Exactly.
also. So that
Yes.
the same customer will come again and again.
Don't hesitate in traveling to your customer, in meeting your customer. Meet your customer very frequently. Greet them, involve them, share your experience with them. How you are doing, how you are improving in your journey, in your company. Share them. They will feel important, and obviously then your customer will not go anywhere.
Okay, so this is my last question. So what's next in your business? What next you are thinking?
This is something which I did not wanted to, but I will just give you as a hint. We are trying in AI. We are soon going to introduce AI in FMCG industry.
Okay.
We are going to connect consumer to the manufacturer directly for many things, which we can come later.
Okay, sir. That was really nice talking to you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming.